Good afternoon, traders. On Tuesday, the 14th of November, checking the sound, it should be okay. Bitcoin, I'm a bit later than usual with my update. Normally I do it in the morning, but I was waiting to see direction in Bitcoin. And let me go to the hourly chart. Yesterday, I showed you this green box for this kind of correction. And I mentioned potential or a possible reversal area. You see there was a reaction, another trial attempt, but they failed. This move down also made Ether reaching its green box. So at that time I thought, well, might still be okay. I went to bed and woke up with Bitcoin putting in another low and rather a weak bounce. And when I saw that bounce, I decided to wait, and you can see the difference here. Eh? Look here. This is a corrective bounce, smaller candles, and boom, down. Impulsive move to the downside. Can we bounce from here? Yeah, we could. And we would even have a higher low, but doesn't look very convincing. I do think we might have a bit of a bounce here, but same like here. I'd want to see it back above this this previous low, reclaim this level. That's a weekend low from Saturday. But what I said, it doesn't look very convincing. Another indicator I often use is from in silico. And when it's loaded, you can see here there's a little bit of a reversal sign, but not really strong in the 50-minute chart. There's a blue candle forming that when that is closed and it still has 10 minutes to go and it's still blue, then you have a kind of a confirmation for a reversal. But that's on the 50-minute, and the hourly chart, you can see here, this indicator has still plenty of room to the downside, making me a bit cautious here, thinking that we are in a area where we could see a bounce. If we see a bounce here, yeah, fine, but I'll wait to see if we break back above also that level before considering any longs. And it also does feel like yesterday in the afternoon, Bitcoin, especially Ether, looked much stronger than it looks now. But that is usually when you can have the best trades, but I'm waiting. Spot versus perps, you can see that spot is coming down a bit. This is the 1 hour chart, which I usually use. And now you can see that there is some more spot selling coming in. And then, yeah, where could we go? This is the ABC I mentioned yesterday, or also last week, that I said that is the most logical. If we purely look at technical, at TA, technical analysis, Elliott wave, this ABC correction would bring us to around 35,000. It's not really a big move, only if you are over leveraged. And I do think alts will react pretty strong on that if that happens, like we saw in the past days. But that would be my first target if we break down here. But it all depends what we are going to do right now here in this bounce. Don't rush. We didn't take out these lows. It could be a retest of these lows and put in a higher low, but then this could be a first sign breaking here. But I would definitely wait for 36,750 more or less before considering longs, or we should see here a big green dildo. Then we have a totally different situation. But for now, just waiting and see what happens here. We do, if you look here also, the bigger candles are to the downside. So it's better to have a bit of patience here. And CPI is coming later this afternoon. Could change everything again. And maybe we just spike up to the upside again. Never a dull moment in crypto. Let's see you again tomorrow.